No! Get your foot. Get your foot. You think you're going to eat my foot all the way from over there? Oh no, I gave you the hiccups. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to give you the hiccups. Okay, we'll pause for laughing for a little bit. Okay. Oh no! Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop, hiccup boy.